Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to fix spacing between words in the Microsoft Word. Simply open the Microsoft Word at first. As you can see, this is my Microsoft Word document. Now to fix the spacing between them, simply select where you want to update the spacing or simply select all the document. To select all the documents, simply place the cursor and simply select Ctrl A, and this will select all, as you can see. Then go to your home tab or insert tab or reference, then go to the layout tab, as you can see here. Then simply go to insert, go to your home tab. Then as you can see here, you will see the option called line spacing. To fix or manage the line spacing between words, you can simply use this. As you can see, it is in 2, so I want to make less space between my words or sentences, so I will click on 1.15, and as you can see, my spacing is done. Make sure to use your spacing perfectly, and that's how you will fix the spacing on your words. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.